The city hums, right? It's this constant soundtrack of cars, conversations, and construction. Most days, I just tune it out, lost in my own world, headphones firmly in place. That's exactly where I was last Tuesday, waiting for the number 7 bus. The sun was doing that late afternoon thing, casting long, lazy shadows across the pavement. I had my favorite playlist on, some mellow, dreamy synth pop that always makes the world feel a little softer, a little more cinematic. I was just zoning out, tapping my fingers on my knee to the beat, when I felt a tiny, almost imperceptible weight on the bench beside me. I opened my eyes and there it was. A little sparrow, small and unassuming, with feathers the color of dust and twilight. It wasn't scared at all. Most city birds scatter if you so much as breathe in their direction. But this one just sat there, head tilted, looking right at me. Its eyes were like tiny black beads, full of a curiosity I couldn't quite decipher. I stayed perfectly still, not wanting to break the spell. We just sat there for a moment, two strangers sharing a bench. Me with my electronic beats and it with its silent, birdly thoughts. Then the strangest thing happened. It hopped closer, right up to my hand which was resting on the bench. I held my breath. It cocked its head again, then gently, so gently, it tapped my knuckle with its beak. Once, twice. It wasn't pecking for food. It felt more like a greeting, a little hello from another world. A smile crept onto my face. In the middle of a noisy, chaotic city, this tiny creature had decided I was worth investigating. It was a moment of pure, unexpected connection. And that's when my brain finally caught up. The bird started to chirp. Not a random squawk, but a clear, melodic little tune. 1, 2, 3 notes, a little trill, and then a pause. I felt a jolt, like a tiny electric shock. I pulled one of my headphones off, listening. The synth melody from my song was playing. And the birds' chirps, they were matching it. Perfectly. The same rhythm, the same cadence. It would chirp a little phrase, right in time with the music spilling from my earbud. It was impossible. Was I imagining it? Was this some kind of crazy coincidence? I looked from the bird to the bustling street and back again, feeling like I'd stumbled into a secret. The world suddenly felt bigger, more mysterious, filled with a magic I'd never noticed before. It was like the universe was winking at me, sharing an inside joke through this tiny feathered messenger. I was so captivated I almost didn't hear it. The hiss of the bus's air brakes pulled me back to reality. The number 7 had arrived, my ride home. The spell was broken. As people started to line up, my little musical friend gave one final, perfectly timed chirp. Then with a flutter of its wings, it was gone, disappearing into the branches of a nearby tree. Just like that, the magic moment was over. I stood up, feeling a strange mix of wonder and a little bit of sadness. I got on the bus, found a seat by the window, and watched the city slide by. But it looked different now. Sharper, more vibrant. That tiny sparrow, that impossible song, it changed something in me. It reminded me that even in the most ordinary of days, in the most mundane of places like a bus stop, there's magic hidden in plain sight. You just have to be willing to listen. You have to be open to the small, impossible moments that are happening all around us, all the time. So next time you're out there, maybe take your headphones off for a minute. You never know what kind of music you might hear. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you've ever had a moment like this, a little bit of everyday magic, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories. See you next time.